Hi everyone, it's Nancy Wethington with my newest Button Farm Club book. And this is with the gorgeous papers from Blue Fern Studio called Eclectic Charm, and I'm telling you, these papers are just absolutely gorgeous. So much detail. So let's get started with the cover. The cover is layered. We have a green cardstock from Basil, and then a piece of blue fern, and then a piece of gold paper, and then another blue fern that is actually cut in half right along here. All that's in the directions. And then I've covered it up with some fussy cutting, flowers, some ferns, and a butterfly, all from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. And then on the spine, the same, ferns from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts, and another flower. And then the metal knob. I love using metal knobs. If you have my other kits, you know that already. So I just wanted to show you something on the cover that I did. I kind of leave this up to you in the directions. These ferns are just left as cardstock. Not cardstock, I'm sorry. It's chipboard. And I didn't do anything to those at all. The ferns on the spine, I inked or painted with some gold colored paint or ink. You can use it either way. So that's, I just wanted to show you that because it's two different applications, and you can do whatever you think is best for that. So let's go inside the album. Page 1 has a belly band with a saying. All this is from the collection, the Blue Fern collection. And then I have a stopper. You know I like to do that so that the things don't fall through. And then you have 3 different cards. This paper gorgeous. For photos or journaling. Those get tucked back in. That's the inside cover. Then for page 1, you will have, again, from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts, these tracers, I call them. And there's 2 different sizes. One's a little bit larger than the other one. So the larger one will do the cardstock. And then the next size will do the printed paper. And again, that's gorgeous blue fern. I'm just crazy about their papers. And then inside, I made a little tuck behind, and with some leftovers from the first cut, a little booklet that will slip right inside. And of course you can put more things on that or put another larger photo here. Page 2, fussy cut a little bit, roughed up some edges, and then added another insert with a butterfly from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. Those are all in your kit. It's all inclusive. Then this page is a flip. So this has magnets behind it. Again, this was fussy cut with the tracer, so I just used the largest tracer for the cardstock, sorry, and then the next size down for the decorative paper. That flips open. You have a pocket down here with inserts, and then the top layer is also a pocket, a little grunged up here a little bit, and then an insert. And with this kit you'll get another sheet from me. Beautiful ephemera that I got from an online site I belong to, and right now can't I think of that. I'll have it in the directions though. This is a piece from the ephemera kit that comes with the blue fern papers. And then what I did on this is a fussy cut from the papers as well, the decorative papers. So I used this bottom piece as a tuck behind and the top piece as a tuck behind with a card from the blue fern papers. And then this piece of vintage lace and magnets, and this is a dual opening with a pocket here, a little tiny pocket on this side, torn edge, grunged up a little bit, and then the center is another pocket down here with a tuck behind. Whoop. And that short pocket acts as a stopper. I like those. Now, I didn't do this on mine, but you will have a butterfly left. And if you want to, go ahead and put the butterfly here. I kind of left this plain depending on what you wanted. I didn't know if you wanted to put some journaling in here, or maybe you could also add a photo here like this. Just glue it to one side of the opening, and then it'll still magnetize and close up for you. Okay, look how sweet those images are. Aren't they awesome? So, a tuck behind again in the corner, and then these are images from the ephemera collection, Eclectic Charm ephemera. Then this was a piece I had left over, so I just made it into a little card type thing where you could either do journaling on the inside or photos. And then this little birdie is from the ephemera collection, and I just left him off the page a bit as a tag or a pull. But do on the back, they're going to be completely white, so do ink that up a little bit so it doesn't look like you forgot about them. Tuck that behind, tuck these in. Then this page is a bit interactive again. So you have ribbon in your kit from me, so the ribbon unties. You have 2 pieces of craft cardstock that you're going to make these tags with. They open. Whoops. Then I've got a journal card tucked behind a belly band. Open this up. Let me get this positioned for you. Then this is another sleeve. You can tuck something in there, another photo or journaling. This opens. This is plain for a larger photo, and then, excuse me, I just dropped something. And then this is fussy cut for a pocket. That's that page. I'll tie those back up, and you're rearing to go again. Okay, next page. A belly band with a little ephemera you're going to make with some leftovers and a little bit of fussy cutting, and a sweet bird image from the ephemera pack. And then again, this piece was left over from a previous cut, so that's just tucked in behind the belly band, the vertical belly band, I guess I should say. And then this is a flip up, and that you're going to create just with a couple flowers from the flower packet, a little bird cage from the ephemera kit. This opens, and this is done with a piece of Velcro that you can barely see. Isn't that awesome? I love this Velcro. They're clear, little clear dots. This comes down, place for journaling, or you could put 1 or 2 small photos, and then another tuck behind. Okay, we're going to close this one up. Next one. Some of the girls that have taken my classes reminded me of something, excuse me, I used to do in my books. Excuse me. And I call it torn wallpaper. And it's so fun. I haven't done this for a while. And they said, oh, do a torn wallpaper. So I did. So you just take a craft knife with the main paper and cut across. And then fold these back, roll your papers back, ink them up a little bit, and then take a piece of scrap paper and put it behind there. I put a little pearl inside there, which, again, it's all with your kit. I've hung little miniature hearts in there. You can put anything in that wallpaper you want, or you can leave it completely blank and just have a little piece of torn wallpaper. So that's something I like to do. Definitely for this collection, definitely, eclectic would be an understatement. This is a tuck behind, and then behind that is a piece of card from the collection kit. Pretty, huh? Photos are journaling, and then these are little booklets that you can use for journaling. These are on the ephemera paper that'll be included with your kit that I made up for you. Next page is a double fold again. This one closes with a magnet, and you have a little tuck behind here. Put a little photo. Okay. And this just sticks by itself. Well, not really. There's magnets in here, so all you have to do is place that down and it'll close up those folds. Then we're going to open this up to this, again, another piece of gorgeous blue fern paper. Look at those birds. I mean, you can't get a prettier collection. This is gorgeous. And then a pocket. Down here, a little bit of fussy cutting again. And then some journaling and photo mats. Close that up. Let's put this back. There we go. Next page. On this paper, I loved the flowers here. But it also had what looked like a torn piece of paper here. So I just took my craft knife and literally, oops, maybe not. No, I did it, I know. And now I can't get into it. Oh, I wonder if I taped that down by accident. Oh my gosh, girls. Don't do as I did, do as I say. Do you remember saying that to your kids? This is cut. I wanted that to stay open. I think I might have glued it down. And then it would become a tuck. Another little kind of pocket. I'm going to have to work on that. See, we all make mistakes. Okay, so this is glassine bag. And I hope you can see that it is embossed. Plenty of room for photos in there. I tied a piece of ribbon around it, and then a flower, and then a saying from the ephemera kit. And again, plenty of room in here for photos, our journaling. And then the back cover is this gorgeous flowered paper. And of course I had to use that image. Look how cute he is. So, that is the book. It is Eclectic Charm by Blue Fern Studios. And I hope you liked it. Thanks for visiting today. See you later.